In this Facebook Live Tips video, I'm going to cover 5 mindset shifts that will boost your confidence so you can get on Facebook Live without feeling discomfort and overwhelm. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sarah Nguyen, and on this channel, I make tech and social media easier for awesome entrepreneurs like yourself. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for all of the latest product reviews, social media marketing tips, and training. Being live on video can be nerve-wracking, give you heart palpitations, and send you into panic mode. All of the anxieties can be calmed down by changing your mindset. I'm going to share 5 important mindset shifts to build your confidence so you can leverage Facebook Live to build and connect and sell with ease. Mindset shift 1. Facebook live streams are a normal part of growing your business. There's a major misconception that you have to be a natural on camera in order to be great at creating content, especially when it comes to Facebook Live. This is just not true. Like most skills, taking consistent action and practice is the key to being great. When you go live regularly, you repeat the process of delivering content, using your equipment, the lights, microphone, camera, and software. With this repetition, your fears diminish and your confidence grows because you've taken action and gotten through to the other end of it. Facebook live streaming is just another tool in your marketing kit. It's there for you to use and grow your business with. That's it. Mindset shift 2. It's okay to sell. People are typically conditioned to dislike selling, salespeople, and asking for a sale, which is what you want to do on a Facebook live stream at some point. If you don't have the right mindset, this can leave us feeling a little bit icky. Generating sales for your business is completely different and shouldn't be classified in the same category as a stereotypical sleazy used car salesman. Your business needs sales and money in order to run. You can leverage Facebook Live to sell to people at the right point in your sales process. And you can do this without feeling gross if you've truly delivered valuable content and you have a quality product or service to offer. There's nothing to be embarrassed or ashamed about here. The more sales you make, the more resources you and your business have, so you can help more people and serve more clients and make a bigger impact on the world. Your enthusiasm matters. You must believe in your product or service in order to get results. If you don't believe in what you have to offer, no one else will. You've probably seen a salesman who you could tell was just not interested in what they were pitching. It's obvious they don't believe in what they're doing and their enthusiasm just isn't there. Transfer of emotion is a huge part of sales. You can't fake really believing in your product or service. Your viewers will pick up on it. If you have to fake it, you're probably in the wrong niche, selling the wrong products for you. Think about the last time you had an amazing experience and told your friends all about it. This is the type of enthusiasm you need to bring to your Facebook live streams. If you get this mindset right, you're halfway there. Your role is to support people through the steps of the buying process. Having viewers move from watching your Facebook live stream to buying from you is a process. There's no one word, special button, or magic phrase that will get someone to purchase what you have to sell. Despite what the gurus tell you, it just doesn't happen like that. People hate to be sold to, but love to buy things. The job of your Facebook live streams is to get the right person's attention, establish trust, and move them through the process. Your role is to provide them with content that supports them and informs them through the buying journey. That's how they'll decide if they'll buy from you. You are a trusted advisor, not a sleazy salesperson. Generally speaking, a salesperson is mostly interested in what's in it for them and the commissions they'll make. They're willing to say whatever they have to close the deal. A trusted advisor, on the other hand, always acts with their client's interest as the priority. A trusted advisor deeply understands their ideal client situation and the outcomes they desire. When you shift your mindset to how can I help my viewers through what I have to offer as your top priority, a paradigm shift occurs. You can use your Facebook Live as an avenue to amplify your reach and make more sales ethically and with confidence. If you found this video useful, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in using Facebook Live to grow your business, mindset shifts are just one part of the equation. You need to figure out what topics to talk about, what to say, how to go live, and what other equipment you need to use. So I've put together a Facebook Live cheat sheet. It's a super simple guide that walks you through the basics you need to get up and streaming on Facebook Live, even if you've never hit record before. To get your hands on it, simply click on the link in the description below, and thanks for watching.